Alright, so we're getting ready to ride again, YouTubers. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't put up a new video last week. It's pretty selfish of myself, and yeah, I'll have one tomorrow night. New video Sunday. Well, it'll be Sunday when it gets uploaded. Got the 4-tracks. Lee's gonna be riding that. Got Blair. He's gonna be on the 230. What you doing, Blair? Putting oil in it? Oh yeah. Look at the 230. They got me on the Rancher, of course. No. Oh, we got Ben on the 230. He's kicking her. Oh, and there's Connor's mouth. He's running his mouth already. He's running his.
Right here. Whatever you got, bring it down. Bring it down. 8-0.
8-0, huh?
8-0.
Look at Ben's 230. I missed the shot last weekend of him wrecking pretty profusely. His ball joint gave out, and yeah, he went for a tumble. Nah, it's just needs jetted. Just needs jetted.
Yeah, you need fucking fuel injections. What you need?
No, that's what I think it is. It needs jetted. Getting too much gas or too little. Probably too little because his pipe gets hot. We'll fix it. 185's dicked. It won't rev up now. Look at this Doom buggy again. Oh yeah, we got that running. Hardway's working on the Bayou. Loud as fuck. What are you doing, Hardway? You wrenching?
Look at Blair.
Hey, Blair. Hey, Blair. Hey, Blair. Alright, let's go to some riding videos. Here he comes. Oh, there he is. Just giving her hell. Dude, you're fucking giving her hell for like a while. How did you not blow that thing up? Oh yeah? Here comes my Suzuki. Yeah. Holy shit, the wheel's about ready to come off. Yeah. Oh, they can't make it. They can't make it. Oh, shit. Keep going, Blair. Keep going. Come on, do it. Whoa!
Hey, Blair.
Here he goes. Blair's gonna try to jump that. Look at the rims about ready to fall off. Get it, Blair! Give her hell! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Alright, no more wrecking it!
No, fuck, I didn't get it.
I know, you didn't press the start button, did you?
I did, but it didn't fucking register. Whatever you want to call it.
Look at the camera, lady. Let's see it. Lee, hit it on the 4 tracks. No,
Why?
because you'll ruin it.
Bullshit.
No, not on that.
Not on the 4 track?
No, on this again.
Can't leave that far.
No. Oh yeah. His gas line.
This guy.
Yeah.
Hard way.
Woo.
Hard way.
His gas line was burning. The gas line was burning.
Hey, come here. Fire?
No, it was smoking.
It's smoking.
Out in the start, it started.
It's ready?
Yep. Then
Okay.
hit that to stop it.
All right, it's Connor. Franklin's gonna hit it. That piece of shit 420. What a beaut. What a beaut. Yeah, look at that piece of shit.
Hey, get Blair, get Blair.
Wheel it down! I know who it was! Are we going or what?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't fuck if I know. Let's go catch him, I guess. I'm trying. Let me fucking set the camera down. If that fucking piece of shit will start. Piece of shit. What a piece of shit. What year is this pile?
This? 91, 89,000 miles.
What year?
91.
Standard?
Hey, get a shot of this. Get a shot of this.
What do I got? McLovin here?
My driver's license.
Your driver's ID, huh? Let me see it. Hold it right there. Let me get a facial. Alright, what's that say? Hawaii.
That's my hometown, nigga.
What a phony. Oh, that thing's a pile
Blair's
of
got one tire falling off and the other one's flat.
shot.
What's he on?
On the 230.
Oh, will it no?
This thing's a fucking pile.
What? This thing just walked up that fucking hill.
My Ranger would have walked up it too.
If you get into four wheel.
I got on 4-wheel this
Look
morning.
at the tires in there on this, dude.
I know, I was looking. They're fucking brand new.
We were just testing that truck.
I was coming up this hill the whole way. I'm like, man, people are ripping this up. And I'm like, I seen Blair jump. I said they're gonna shit their pants. I started laying on the horn. He goes, what are you doing? I said, Louis is right here.
Here he comes, speak of the devil.
Oh.
It's fucking nice out.
I ain't coming back down.
Oh, there's the ditch.
I ain't going
There's
back
the
down.
ditch.
We'll go turn around and bust it.
Holy fuck, look at Blair's wheel! Oh, that tire is fucked. That tire is fucked. I got it! I got it!
Junk.
Here, take this fucker.
Alright, here. What's he doing?
Where are we going?
We need to put the 230 in the back of that truck. Well, he dicked her, boys. He dicked her. I wish I could have got that, but he dicked her.
Look at the snow on his head.
Yeah. Yeah, hey, put that on the winch.
Hey, let's run out to the rocks real quick.
Yeah,
Alright.
turn out the rocks, fuck it.
Oh, fuck,
Put-
you can't
yeah.
do that.
Let her out. Let her out.
Why?
So I'm about out of gas.
Oh, we need to load that up into Devin's truck. Hey. Devon! Hey! Dude! Both the wheels on the 230 are... Yeah. He dicked her. Christopher, what do you got to say, buddy? You're gonna be on YouTube. YouTube TV's right here. Did he?
Hey, what do you do? Got the gas?
No, the rims are about ready to fall off. Both of them, and one of them's flat.
What do you think of the new wheels, Lewis?
Huh?
Spin a tire coming up over there.
Hell yeah. Alright. Go!
Wheelie it!
Yes, he is. Alright.
You got an extra set of rims. Are the rims bent or are they just falling off?